Counter-Strike hands. Today we are going for a Christmas tree in good old Germany. So I want to share that experience and want to see how you do it in your country. Leave comments below and let's roll the intro. This will be a cold startup on an E320 V6 AMG exhaust. 2004. It will be embarrassing. Oh god, it is embarrassing. That V6 has 204 brake horsepower and I have no freaking idea how they managed to squeeze so little horsepower out of a V6. Well, I guess that's how they did it back then. Okay. Let's carry on and get a tree. And here we are, Christmas tree hunting. A fire to get in the mood and to maybe warm up if it's really freaking cold. And here is this mistletoe thing. Just don't just kiss people below that, then you turn into a zombie in these times. No, don't, just stay alive and do not kiss under mistletoes. And here are the trees. I feel like Hansel and Gretel and maybe should lay out breadcrumbs to find my way back, but well, let's try it without the breadcrumbs. I don't have bread anyways, but yeah. They're big and they're great. They look nice and they cost between around $50 to $120. Let me know in the comments below how much you spend for a tree every year. Do you do it like this? Do you buy a real tree or do you get a plastic one? People all over the world do it differently. And in Japan, for example, if you want to get a real one, you are looking at $400, $500, $600, basically open end. And therefore they have little plastic trees. They like Christmas, but it's a different kind of Christmas feeling. It's not like the real Christmas. So what do? Do you celebrate Christmas at all? Leave your comments below. And since cars are not made for transporting trees, we put them in like this. Slightly strange, slightly illegal, but it gets the job done every year once. And another lukewarm startup on a very thirsty V6 with very little power. I guess we need a crimson red Tesla. Maybe one day, someday soon. And we are carrying the tree back, kind of like Counter-Strike style. And as always guys, I hope you liked this a bit random one today. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, that would be really appreciated. Stay safe, have a great rest of the day, Merry Christmas and see you in the next one.